Hello guys, welcome for this new Shopify tutorial. So today we will learn how to install and configure a promotion top banner like this one. So it depends of the theme you are using with Shopify. So some of them they already have one by default, but you might be limited with different options. So for example, with this one, you can just customize your text, put a link, the background, the color background, and the color of the text, but you don't have so much options. And some themes they don't have a promotion top bar at all. So I did some testing. So I tested around 10 apps from the Shopify app stores. And so I selected this one. So you just have to go on the Shopify app store and search for smart bar and just select this one. And then so click on add the app and you will arrive on the configuration of the application. So one of the main reasons why I have chosen this one, it's because you have the possibility to add this piece of code in your theme, and it will help you to load much faster the top banner. One of the weakness of all the other plugin is it takes time to load the banner. So your users will just navigate through the pages and the top banner will load maybe 1 second later on each pages. So the experience, it's not so good. And so this one, for this specific point, it's much better. I will show you quickly how to do it. So you just have to copy this piece of code and then go in your back office Shopify and edit the code and go on this layout, and at the bottom, so right before the body, you will just add this piece of code. So just right here, and they remind you where to add it. So then you saved, and that's it. Let's have a look about the different settings for this bar. So you can click on this button to create a new bar. So for instance, so you can first put your text. So you can preview here how it looks on mobile or on desktop. Then you can choose to add a CTA or not with a link. So you can choose your link. If you want to have the possibility to close the banners, if you want to add some products inside your top banner. So it can be a bit weird because it's quite small. So you can add a countdown. So for instance, for the sale period. And so then you can customize the styling of your top bar. So you can, the background color, text, then the font. So here it's quite good with this one, with this app. You have much more font compared to the other plugin. So then you can choose to have a sticky top bar or not. So for the free version, you have, for my opinion, enough settings. But if you want to go a bit further, you have premium options, and you can create different versions of your bar and select the countries. But from my opinion, you have enough options with a free one. So then just save it and let's activate this version, and in the same time we will deactivate the other one. Just right click here and save, and then let's have a look with this new top bar. Okay, so here we have the new one. So, and as you can see, the loading, it's quite fast because we added this piece of code directly in the source code of the theme. Okay, so that's it. So I will definitely recommend to you to use this kind of banner. It's one of the best options to communicate with your customers about a special promotion, for example, for the sale or a free shipping promotion. It's one of the best one to be sure that the customers will be aware of what's going on your website. So give a try, and if you have any questions, just drop your comment right below the video or have a look at my website and I will share with you more tips and advice. Okay, thank you for watching me and have a nice day. Bye.